What's up, guys? Welcome to Jay's Racing. My name is Jason. I'm at Kartlephant. It's the second day. I arrived here around 1:30 in the afternoon yesterday, and I just went straight to work and I assembled 4 engines by around 6:30, something like that. So today I'm gonna have to assemble another, I think, 8 engines, because we need to do 12 engines in total. Actually, no, 7 engines, because my friend assembled another one already. So yeah, so today is just all about assembling engines, and after I'm done with all that, I'm going to assemble another 28R. Oh, by the way, all the 12 engines that I'll be assembling will be a modified version of a 22E. It's a very small track, so we are going to take out some features to make it less powerful. So it's not the proper 22E. But anyway, so yeah, I think I'll be maybe recording some time lapse or something. But yeah, today I probably won't be able to film a lot, because I'll probably forget about it. But anyway, yeah, so today's all about assembling engines, and I'll probably stay for another couple of days to see what else I can help around with. And yeah, I'll see if I can add more update or something, because I might be too busy. So anyways, yeah, that's it for now, for this intro. So now it's 9 o'clock sharp, and I just finished one engine. So I started at around 7:50, something like that. So it took me about an hour, which is not bad. So I think I can get another engine in before everyone comes in. But yeah, so it's not a very difficult build, really. It's just more, you know, getting the some of the parts out of the original engine, and also modifying a little bit some of the parts, and that's it. It's just putting the engine back together, so it's quite easy, really. Nothing really special. So anyway, let's get started on the second one. so after a full day of work, guys, we have completely finished all 12 engines, and now it looks like this. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is going to be the ZR22E. As you can see, there aren't as many tubes on this version of the engine. So after having discussed with my friend, I think we're now going to take away all the tubes with all the breather tubes to, sort of in a way make 22E less powerful than the 28R, so that there's a bigger difference in between the two models, which I understand because this is more an entry-level engine. It's already quite powerful with the VM22 carburetor, which is a 26 millimeter carburetor. The cylinder head is ported and it's matched, so I mean, these engines will be pretty powerful already. Obviously, the 28R is where we're focusing all our development effort, but this we will be sort of like making it more mass-produced sort of thing to like more rental car tracks and all that, so that more people can get like a more exciting engine as opposed to the typical GX200 and the GX390. So those are more of like the mainstream engines used for rental car tracks, but it doesn't have a lot of like a really quick engine response, and the kick, the kick of the engine is not there, So these are going to be pretty crazy. So obviously it's going to be only for more experienced members to use. So you have to achieve a certain lap time with the GX200 so that you're able to drive this, because this really requires quite a bit of experience to drive if all your experience have only been rental cars. Anyway, so we're done for today. For tomorrow, I'm going to start assembling an outer 28R and testing it on the OTK cart, my friend's OTK cart, this one. Okay, it's been out of commission for a while now. That's the 28R I need to assemble, and hopefully we can get it working tomorrow and see how it does in this small track. The reason why we're assembling another 28R is because I haven't been able to take the rebuilt 28R with the new carburetor size to the track. So obviously, me being at Kartlephant right now, I can try out the track and stuff like that. So all the new configuration, I'm going to apply it to this 28R, and then let's see how it performs with the 28 millimeter carburetor. Hopefully I'll get that boost of performance like I did at the end of the day for the shakedown of the 28R with the 26 millimeter carburetor. Anyway, that's it for now. Everyone's waiting for me for dinner and I gotta go. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.